Which chocolate is the best? 10. Kit Kat is. It is produced and was created in England by Nestlé, and in the UB Reese Candy Company. It comes in packets of 2 or 4 fingers, and comes in a variety of flavors including Kit Kat White, Kit Kat Mint, and Kit Kat Cookies and Cream. With Google's Android mobile whose OS was named Kit Kat got in 2013. This chocolate brand was first manufactured from the UK. Its twin brands are Milky Way and 5 Star. Was utilized to appeal to children and females. It comes to 58-gram bars and sizes from bars. Addition flavors include Mars Gold, Mars Almond, and Mars Maple. Galaxy is sold as Dove in countries. This brand of chocolate ranges in flavors from milk chocolate, fruit and nut varieties, and bubbles. The Dove and Galaxy brands market products including cakes, chocolate powder, and ice cream. This comes in next to the Cadbury Dairy Milk Pub in the selling chocolate bars in the UK. Cadbury is a company. The headquarters are in Uxbridge, Middlesex. Its operations in over 50 nations all over the world. Aside from chocolate, the business is related to products such as soft mints, Trident gum, and Jelly Babies. This chocolate brand is a brand that is Swiss. Its chocolate bars are famous for their triangle form. A cultural impact this chocolate had is in creation. A sided, freestanding, wheeled variant of the common theater flat is called a Toblerone. That is the most popular chocolate manufacturer originating from Lebanon. It's now in more than 29 countries. This manufacturer is the leading chocolate manufacturer of the Middle East. It's a luxury manufacturer and contains a menu with more than 50 varieties.